I loved my client's vision for the property, and I felt very connected to paying homage to the style of the home, and so I fell in love too. It's been a really good journey. My name's Diane Birrell, and I'm the interior designer. Cohesiveness is the consideration that was given to the property. So when you're building a house or designing a home, the consideration has to be for the entire space. In this particular instance, the consideration also had to be about the journey. So it was about being modern in here and contemporary, but still allowing that flow. So the connection between the old and the new was going to be imperative. We all know you've got 30 seconds to make an impression. That's rule number one in interior design. So timber flooring laid in the herringbone pattern was essential to the style of the home. And then there's an interruption where the old and the new will start, and we've used a viola rose stone that we've clad an entire entryway, and I love it. It's a grand kitchen. Our clients are adamant about a large kitchen and a home for entertaining family, friends, indoor, outdoor, making the most of the floor space that we have. And I think we've done that as well. Really easy to furnish, very easy to walk around. Whether you're an older family or a younger family, it would accommodate both. The pod upstairs houses 3 beautiful bedrooms that could very easily accommodate a growing family. The sandstone, I think, is the star of the show at the front of the house. The facade is beautiful. It's the face. You know, we've got the Federation style tiles out the front. But then when we look up, this natural timber, black flat roof pod, which houses 3 magnificent bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's part of the streetscape, and there's nothing nicer than being the nicest house on the street, I have to say. The tiles we used in the bathroom, on the floors and some of the walls, are a beautiful vitrified tile. And then we have a beautiful green handmade tile as a feature in all of our bathrooms. We've used dark timbers throughout. All of the bathrooms are the same, so it's a really nice cohesive feel right throughout. The way it's been built very, very well. I believe that it'll be standing for a very, very long time to come.